Patuloy tayong maging masaya, patuloy tayong magmahal ng bawat isa. Ang purpose namin sa video is for memories. Someday, babalikan namin, hindi lang basta alaala, pwede namin mapanood yung mga ginawa namin nung kami ay mga bata pa. Nung kami ay hindi pa mahina, nung kami ay mabilis pa maglakad, nakakapagmotor pa, nakakapunta pa kung saan-saan. Mababalikan namin lahat ito. So yun ang pinaka-purpose kung bakit din natin ginagawa ito.
So make these moments last.
Ano yun? Sige. Alam tayo ng Coke Zero.
Pero may ano ba kayo dyan?
May.
Yung corn beef na nandiyan sa stock nyo? Yung,
Tignan ko.
Yung ordinary lang.
Dahil, ito na, malaki. Sa tindahan, wala na dun.
Wala lang.
Sarap. Kuya, oh. Sama? Tara.
Something years ago, those cold nights in December, and the sound of the falling snow, the fireplace warming us, the VHS movie box, your old broke down touring bus, and not a single cloud in the sky. If I could go back in time, I'd pack my bags right now. If I could play back, rewind, I wouldn't think twice. A pair of jeans and a dusty shirt, we didn't have a dime. No, you and me were poor as dirt, all we had was time.